Darling, I know it's hard to let go. Soon I will hold you again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a home tour. Welcome to our new house. We literally just signed the closing papers. The kids are on their way, the movers are on their way, so we have to make this very fast before they descend upon this home and it is no longer open and clean. So we're gonna do an unfurnished home tour. So the house was built in the 1930s, and then there's been some additions on it over the years. We're still kind of nailing down exactly when the additions were done, but the style of the house is considered a colonial revival. There's a lot of things that we hope to eventually make some little changes to on the outside of the house, aesthetically, shutters, things like that. This video, I'm really not going to go over all the changes that we want to make. I'm just going to take you through and show you the house, and then later we'll kind of do like a renovation plans because we're going to be doing an addition, stuff like that. So, welcome. Let us go. Come in, come in, come in. I love that since we're so far off the road, we could totally have these like glass doors. My favorite part about this house, you will see as we go through, is the windows everywhere. Light and windows abound, and I love it. So this is like sort of the grand entry area. They had this set up, again, like very grand. They were clearly much more cultured people than we were, and they love to entertain. So we're gonna kind of have to rework things to work for our big family, but this is the entry area. And then as you step in this way, you have the living room area, and it's kind of an interesting shape here. So we're definitely gonna be doing some fiddling with furniture and trying to figure out what pieces fit where and how we can make this work. And we're gonna be changing paint colors and stuff like that. But I said I wasn't gonna talk about that. So as you come through the beautiful, another set of beautiful French doors, which I just love a good French door, you know? I just don't even know why, I just love a good French door. You come into the kitchen, which is the part that, from the outside, this house is very unassuming. When I saw the listing, I was like, from the outside, the house just kind of doesn't look that fantastic, okay? But when I saw the listing and I saw the kitchen, I was like, okay, I have to go see this house. And this is what I fell in love with, is this whole space here. So you guys know one of my biggest complaints is not being able to be in the kitchen and cook in our old house and just have my kids sitting, talking to me, hanging out. I just always wanted that, like, heart of the home kitchen. And this kitchen is exactly that, like heart of the home kitchen. This room is filled with windows, filled with windows, beautiful crown molding. When we looked at the house, this house had tons of beautiful furniture in it. And I said, I should ask the seller if they would leave me that mirror. And then I forgot. And just because this is how we know that Jesus loves us, okay? Because we went to the closing and they were like, the seller left you the mirror that was in the dining room. If you don't want it, it's okay, we'll come back and get it. But he thought you might, so he left it. I'm like, the one thing that I wanted and did not ask for, he just intuitively left. And I thought, it's just one of those little small hugs, you know, that's like, just kindness, love it. So this beautiful mirror with lots of spaces for us to pull up some stools and hang out. This is different for us, this cooktop here in the middle. But there is tons and tons and tons of cabinet space here, tons of it. And as you can see over here, like I said, these people love to entertain. You'll see that in the backyard. They had tons of like bistro tables and stuff set up out there, which are obviously not there now, but they did a ton of entertaining here. So they have a wine fridge and a whole like mini bar area. And then this is like a butler's pantry area is what they call it. But it's just another prep area with another deep sink right here, food prep stuff. And as you can see, just tons of cabinets everywhere. These windows make my little heart go pitter patter, and I love it so much. So then when you come in here, sort of study I don't really know exactly. They had a big dining room table in here, and we thought we would do this as sort of a hangout homeschool area, but I'm gonna take a little different spin on it. We're not gonna do like a big table and make this more like a traditional homeschool area. I want this to have Swiss Family Robinson vibes. So I'm really excited to make this like a super relaxing, like sofa, fireplace. We'll have our bookshelves and school books, but it's not gonna be so stuffy. We're not gonna have like massive table, desk stuff. We might even just do like coffee table and like sit on the ground. I don't know, we're gonna get crazy in here though. I really love this room. Again, you just cannot beat all of these beautiful windows, the beautiful natural light, this beadboard at the ceiling here. I think that originally this was the entrance to the home as like a front porch area, and they finished it in and added the fireplace and stuff later. That's my thoughts. Again, we're still looking for like back history, so I'm not entirely sure, but this definitely has a lot of the, like all of this shiplap and everything. So
yeah, right here. I mean, you're exactly right. That's crazy.
This was outside light when this was the entrance porch. See?
Look at you.
I mean,
Here. That's impressive.
I'm just a genius. All right, let's go show them our bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. This is obviously significantly smaller than our current master bedroom, but that is a-okay. We are cool with getting rid of furniture. I love this old room, the floors. I don't know if CR's gotten any shots of these old pine floors. They're absolutely beautiful. His and hers closets. This is the his master closet and the hers master closet, which I am definitely going to be, I think, calling one of those closet companies, because I feel like I need some help figuring out how to utilize the space in here to make the most of it. I love the cedar boards on the walls. These are in a number of the closets here. I love that. As you come around into le bathroom, you have your little cubby for the toilet, which that's, you know, the least exciting thing. A beautiful shower, very similar to the renovation that we did at our old house, which is weird to call that our old house. It's got this rain shower head, which, if I'm just being honest, I won't use because I don't like water spraying directly on my face, so I will never use that, but my husband will love that, won't you, babe? He will. But it's got my favorite thing, the freestanding tub. This was what I wanted so desperately when we did our bathroom renovation, and when I saw that this house had that too, I was like, yes! These old beautiful pedestal sinks and just all the feels, you know? Just all the feels. And one of the best parts is after I go and get my coffee, I can come right on out here to my own private porch. You guessed it. A private porch, which overlooks where some of our critters are going to be, and some of the beautiful crepe myrtle trees, and I'm thrilled. I have my own little porch out here, ceiling fan to keep it cool. I'm very excited. I'm very excited to be able to come out here with my coffee and just myself in the mornings. Off the kitchen, we also have this. I think this used to be the laundry room. I think this is where they used to have the washer and dryer, although it doesn't even really look like it would fit in here. But this is just gonna be like a pantry utility closet type situation. And then right here you have a combo downstairs bathroom, like guest bathroom and laundry room. So it looks to me like they filled in the tub, and then this is where they put the washer and dryer, and then toilet, sink, downstairs guest bath. If you haven't guessed, that part of the like renovation that we want to do is adding a full mudroom, laundry room situation. This will definitely work for us, okay, for a good while. But eventually, Mama wants a mudroom. So we're gonna go up the stairs and we're gonna check out the bedrooms upstairs. I love this beautiful like beadboard, I guess is kind of what it's called. I mean, I don't know all the technical names, but it's beautiful. My other favorite features of this house is the old doorknobs, and there's actually a skeleton key downstairs that works on all of these old doors with these old locks, which I think is just really neat, okay? These doors are big and heavy and I love it. So this room has, all of the bedrooms have an ensuite bath except for one bedroom. So this again, I mean, these bathrooms, when they did this renovation, they really did beautiful bathrooms for all of the bathrooms. They clearly value a good potty. So this bathroom, we have, again, another beautiful big glass shower here, pedestal sink, toilet on the other side of this little half wall. You can look out this window and just look over the old hickory and sycamore trees while you're doing number 2. I mean, it's just serene, okay, serene. So this room I love, so beautiful. One of the coolest parts is right out this little door. I would say that this room is fit for a little princess. You come out here to this beautiful sunning porch is basically, I guess, what this is called. Yeah, it's just a nice, it's a flat porch that's sort of part of the roof and everything of the house underneath. And you can set up some chairs out here, some sun tanning chairs, and just hang out. Oh, we could put a telescope out here. Yes, get some view of the stars, a telescope. Why didn't I think of that before? This beautiful sun porch that goes all the way around here. And as a mother, one of my favorite features of this sun porch is that the railing is set back about 3 feet from the edge. So when my children come out here, even if they are tempted, okay, they're still a good distance away from the edge. And now it is hot and I'm getting a sweat mustache, so let's go inside. So we have another bedroom here. This one again, this one has just more of a traditional bifold door closet. And then there's another closet on this side. So you've kind of got a 2-closet situation going here. The room arrangements in this house will change up a little bit from our last house, but everybody fits. Like a cat. If I fits, I sits. This is the only bathroom that is not an ensuite bathroom, so this one is just in the hallway. So again though, this is a very large bathroom with double sinks, shower with a tub, toilet again overlooking here. They really made it so that you could enjoy that time on the toilet. You know, just really keeping an eye on things out in the yard, you know. It's all of these little details that really made me fall in love with the house. The big, wide molding, like I said, the really old doorknobs, things like that. The old shiplaps on the wall, like they replaced some things and made them new, but other things they really just sort of made fresh and beautiful what they could save, and I love that. All right, so this is the other bedroom that's up here, and this one is basically a copycat of the master. So it's even actually slightly bigger than the master. But it's just sort of because it doesn't have the closet. So it doesn't have the his and her closets. They gave that space to the bedroom, which is great when multiple kids are sharing rooms. So this is just another big, beautiful bedroom. The closet is here. Plenty of space. Again, we've got cedar on the walls there, keeping the clothes fresh and the moths away. And then when I said duplicate, I meant duplicate because, oh, there's like some more storage cabinets here as well. Lots of storage and these kind of things. It's the exact same bathroom. So my children, I had to wait till I was 34 to get a nice bathroom. My children get a nice bathroom. Check this out. So same little toilet closet, except this one has a door. Why doesn't ours have a door so I don't have to smell toupees? But that's okay. Same beautiful glass shower with the rain shower head. The same absolutely beautiful freestanding tub. Yes, yes, yes. This house has a lot of bathrooms, which in our previous house, that was one of our concerns, was like, listen, we can do bunk beds, we can get kids sharing rooms, that's cool, no problem. But we had 2 bathrooms basically, 2.5. This home has 4.5 bathrooms. When all the teen years come, I'm gonna be so grateful. But the other thing is, they also get their own porch. So right here, once again, you have a beautiful outdoor sitting area, their own little private porch. Beautiful, their ceilings are like vaulted up here and overlooking, again, just the property and the yard. And like, every time I look around outside, I get the little butterfly feeling, the like, do we really live here? I don't know when that will hit me. Or maybe it's hitting me now, I don't know. But the last thing, what I would consider the piece de resistance, which is why we saved it for last, is the backyard gardens. You have to open it that way. I'm glad you missed that. So, as you can see, and like I mentioned, the previous owners, I think, really loved to entertain. And so they had a bunch of like bistro sets and tables and chairs and stuff out here. But this is like sort of the formal gardens. You will see lots of beautiful trees. I believe there's some fruit trees. I've been going around trying to kind of identify what's here. This is a lot of where I'm going to be eventually putting some of my gardens. I'm going to use some of this space for my square foot gardens, my kitchen garden that I want, my potager garden, as they say. So a lot of that's going to go up here. I have to tell you guys that when I pulled up the driveway the first time we came here and I saw the palm trees at the entrance and then these palm trees back here, I was like, sold. I love a good palm tree. So I'm gonna do like a beautiful arbor here on this side. You've got brick steps down because this whole garden area is kind of raised up. And this is one of my favorite views. Once you step away from the house and look at it from the back with the gardens here, I actually think that this side of the house is more beautiful than the front side. Like, in my mind, I would want like this to be the front of the house. But this view right here is just stunning to me. To look to my left and see the horses will eventually be over there and all these gardens and the home and the trees, it's just perfect. And then hopefully, eventually someday, we'd like to maybe put in a pool back here. That's the kids' fantasy. You know how I am with water pools, So yeah, we'll see about that. But the kids eventually want a pool back here. So that's just kind of a view. We've got like a run-in shed barn storage area over here. That's the well house. So when I came here with my sister, we did a little reconnaissance because we couldn't figure out the trees. And I'm pretty sure some of these are sycamore, lots of different types of trees, but they're beautiful. So the kids have just arrived. They're here. I'm gonna end the video here so we can pick up and take the kids in to welcome them to their new home. I hope you guys enjoyed this unfurnished home tour. Lots more to come in the renovation process and all of that, but we are thrilled, we are excited, and we're about to be real tired because we gotta move in. So I will see you guys very soon.
Home again. Waves say tower, screams